we're going to be covering the emergency forms and the emergency contact. If you are looking for an emergency for whatever it may be, auto recreational equipment, whatever it may be, please do fill out the form fully and then make sure you put in the notes that it is an emergency. We do accept emergencies 24 to 48 hours out, which that means is if it is before 8 a.m., you can get in the next servicing day. If it is after 8 a.m., then your services will go to the next following day. We do accept emergencies for not only 24 to 48 hours, but 72 to 96, depending upon what emergency you're looking for. So if your pet urinated in the vehicle, or if somebody vomited in the vehicle, and or if you have an RV or a coach or an aircraft that needs to be done right away, and or your client or whatever it may be needs it done now, we do offer those emergency appointments. Now, we do call you and give you all the different pricing for the emergency fees. What that means is, dependent upon the service you are getting, your fee is different for everything, as far as like with if it's a vehicle that had a vomited area and that's the only area you're focused on, and of course your emergency fee may be cheaper than if somebody is looking for an aircraft that needs to be done fully on the exterior finish, because that is more time consuming. So what we do is we move clients out of that time block and then move you in for that emergency that's requested, and then pass those fees on to you. So feel free to fill out this form completely. This isn't committing you to schedule the appointment. We always call you and confirm that and confirm the emergency if you do need to have an emergency. And if you didn't want the emergency, you can always cancel it via phone. We do talk to you. You do not, even if you fill out any of these forms, you are not committed to setting up for that date. We will call you and confirm everything via phone. Once we confirm everything via phone and go over your dates and your times, then that's when you're committed for that date and time that you have requested or went over verbally on the phone.